painted as a castle. We also have a medieval dining room. We like things that are medieval. Martin actually does jousting and was the British amateur jousting champion, and we're having a medieval buffet. With a medieval dinner. We actually do quite a lot of functions here, and we have quite a lot of dinners, and we decided that we would like to do something Christmas and New Year style, so we decided to do a medieval buffet with cold meats and cheese and crackers and rolls, and it's all served on slate platters and wooden bowls. The dining room like this? Well, we moved into the house about 2 years ago, and the dining room needed to be painted. We actually had some medieval things that we had in our previous house, like the suit of armour and flags, etc. And we thought it would actually be really good to decorate the walls the same to match it, make it medieval. So we wanted to make it really authentic. We didn't want to have medieval things like pictures. We wanted it to feel medieval, so there's the smell of a log fire, etc. And we wanted it to feel medieval when you went in there.
The reaction of the guests is quite surprising actually. They all love it. They're all really surprised when they walk in. It's lots of ooh and ah when they walk in, isn't it? So
yeah, because it feels medieval in the dining room. We didn't want it to be cheesy. We didn't want pictures of things that were medieval. We wanted it to feel medieval. So we have candles that smell of log burning fires and things, and we wanted it to feel medieval rather than just have medieval pictures around.
Yeah, we tried to make everything authentic as well.
Yeah. Yeah, and when we said we were doing the meal today, everyone was super excited to come and dress up. Our neighbours love our dining room.
They do, yeah.
Our neighbours are always coming in, bringing their friends in. Sometimes we're just sitting watching the television and they say, oh, can we show some friends your dining room? And they walk past and show them. So all our neighbours really love our dining room. Have we ever hosted other medieval themed events? We certainly have. We do quite a lot of functions, don't we?
We do.
We have quite a lot of functions with our friends, and we always get them to dress up. We have a selection of over 50 different costumes that people can choose from, all different costumes, all different sizes, and we have a catalogue that people can look through and choose which costumes they'd like.
Cheers then.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy New Year to everybody.
Yeah.